Hi everyone, this is my first video for my AI learning journey. Today we will be starting with something very simple but yet very important, that is Python. If you have explored AI, data analytics, machine learning, Gen AI or any other data field, the stepping stone or the first foundation step is learning Python. So before we start installation of Python, let's understand why Python. So let me take you to my whiteboard and have look at some of the advantages of Python. So let's start with why Python. So the first advantage that Python provides is readability. So Python code is very beginner friendly, it is easy to understand, and the learning curve of Python is very less. The other advantage with Python is its portability. Python works very well on Windows, Mac or Linux system. So it's provide a portability, a flexibility. Another advantage that Python provides is multi-use. So generally it is considered that Python is used for data related operations or machine learning, but Python also used for web development, backend development, and writing the automation scripts, all of these things. The other advantage that Python has is standard libraries. So Python has a big community where many developers has already written a good amount of code and made it open source, and we can consume that in our projects using their libraries. So it is very easy to use it, and the advantage that leads to the productivity. So in Python, with the help of this libraries, we can be more productive. We can focus more on solving the problem rather than writing the code. Okay. And the other advantage that Python provides is the AI ecosystem. So for any AI related applications, Python has a rich set of libraries, and that help us to build an ecosystem, and writing code becomes way easier. So these are some of the advantage why we use Python. So let's start with the installation now. It is always recommended that we go to the official website. It is python.org, and if we go to the download section, the website will automatically detects your machine environment. So for me it is Mac, so it is able to detect that, and it will give an option to download the latest version. If you want to download any older version, it will provide an option to that, all releases, and you can download any version if you want. It is always recommended to have the latest version installed. So if we go here and download, and if you open the installer, the installation is quite straightforward. If we click on continue, and go through the license terms and then continue, click on agree. I won't be clicking on install because on my machine Python is already installed. So once you click on install, it will start installation of the Python. now once the installation is completed, we can validate the version of Python using the terminal. So we will open the terminal, and for Mac we have to write Python 3. For Windows it's Python, for Mac we have to write Python 3 -- version, and it will print the version of Python installed on your machine. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.